In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in Google Slides. Whether you're planning to give a presentation or just want to create a seamless loop for a kiosk display, looping a video can be a great way to engage your audience without needing to constantly replay the video manually. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure you have your video ready to go and that it's saved on your device or accessible through Google Drive. With your presentation open in Google Slides, navigate to the slide where you'd like to insert your video. This slide should ideally be the place where looping content will have the most impact, so choose wisely depending on your presentation's flow. Next, spot the Insert tab in the top menu of Google Slides. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Video. You'll then be prompted with 3 options to locate your video: Google Drive, YouTube, or by URL. Depending on where your video is stored, select the appropriate option and find your video. Once you've located it, click the Select button to insert it into your slide. Now, with the video placed on your slide, you may want to adjust its size or position to fit neatly with your slide's design. Simply click and drag from the corners of the video to resize, or click and hold to move it around the slide. Make sure it's positioned just right for maximum effect. Here comes the key part: enabling the loop function. Do this by right-clicking on the video itself. A context menu will appear. Select Format Options. A panel will then open on the right side of your screen. Here, focus on the Video Playback section. You should see an option for Loop. Check the box next to Loop. This tells Google Slides to repeat the video automatically during the presentation, providing a continuous play with no need for intervention on your part. To ensure everything's working correctly, hit Present in the top right corner to start your presentation. Navigate to the slide with the video and watch it play through. It should automatically restart once it reaches the end, giving you a perfect loop. A tiny tip to remember: test your whole presentation ahead of time. Sometimes internet speeds can affect playback if you're pulling the video from a cloud source like YouTube or Google Drive. And there you have it. You've now looped a video in Google Slides, enhancing your presentation with dynamic, continuous content. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out our other tips on making the most out of your presentation tools.